Hello, everyone. Today, I'm showing you my own DIY Smart Rework Station, built completely from scratch. A lot of people like me can't afford expensive BGA rework stations. They cost hundreds of dollars, sometimes more than the boards we repair. So I decided to make my own rework machine, as cheap and simple as possible then, but still smart and powerful. For the bottom heater, I'm using a normal room heater. It's powerful enough to heat the motherboard evenly from below. For the top heater, I'm using a ceramic infrared emitter bulb. It focuses the heat directly on the GPU or chipset area, just like the big professional machines. The brain of my setup is the ESP32 microcontroller. It controls both heaters separately using two MAX 6675 temperature sensors, one for the top, one for the bottom. With PID control and real-time feedback, it keeps both heaters at the perfect temperature automatically. And the best part, everything is fully controlled through Wi-Fi. I built a custom web interface where I can start, stop, or edit my temperature profile directly from my phone or laptop. It even shows live temperature graphs for both top and bottom heaters. The system follows a full reflow process: preheat, soak, reflow, and cooling. During reflow, it can easily reach 245 degrees Celsius, enough to melt solder and safely remove or reflow GPU chips. I also added a fan for cooling and safety features that automatically shut down the heaters if temperature goes above 260 degrees Celsius. So even though it's a low-cost DIY project, it's still smart and safe to use. My goal with this project is simple: to make an affordable BGA rework station that anyone can build. Whether you repair laptops, GPUs, or motherboards, this project can help you get professional results without spending a lot. If you want to see more updates, improvements, or how to build your own, make sure to subscribe and follow my channel for the next versions. This entire project cost me around 6,000 Pakistani rupees, which is roughly 22 US dollars. Of course, the price may vary a little depending on where you buy your parts, but I can confidently say that anyone can build this complete rework station for under $50, making it one of the most affordable smart rework systems you can build at home. Here's the complete project wiring and pin connection for ESP32, and program file be available for everyone soon. Before removing a GPU chip, always make sure the board is fully preheated from the bottom. Heating only from the top can warp the PCB or damage other components. The bottom heater should warm the entire board evenly, around 150 degrees Celsius, before the top heater reaches reflow temperature. Once both top and bottom reach about 210 to 245 degrees Celsius, the solder under the GPU starts to melt. At that point, don't apply force and just gently lift the chip using a vacuum pickup or a fine tool. Be patient. Every chip takes a few seconds to fully release. If it doesn't move easily, stop and give it a few more seconds of heat. After removing the chip, turn off the top heater but keep the bottom heater on low for a minute. This prevents thermal shock to the board. That's it for today's video, friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.